Next is the decimal to other number system conversion. That is the decimal to other number system is decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. In this one, the procedure is same. In the decimal to any other number system, whenever you want to convert decimal number to any other number system, always the decimal number can be divided by the targeted base value. So in this one, what is the decimal base value? Decimal base value is always 10. So decimal base value is 10. So binary means 2 and also octal means 8. Hexadecimal means 16. So that in this one the procedure is same. Suppose by decimal to binary means always the decimal number can be divided by the 2. The division can be repeated until the remainder is get less than the new targeted base value. So until that one you can repeat the procedure. So once you see this one, this is the procedure. So first step 1, divide the decimal number to be converted by the value of the new base. For example, you want to convert, the new base is the 2. For example, you want to convert it to the octal, new base value is the 8. Suppose you want to convert it to the hexadecimal, the new base is the 16. So that divide that number by the targeted base value. The step 2, get the remainder from step 1. Always whenever you can perform the division operation, you can get the remainder value. So that get the remainder from the step 1 as the rightmost digit of a new base number. That is called the least significant digit. And also after that step 3, divide the coefficient of the previous one that can be divided by the new base again. So repeat the process. Division can be repeated the process until you can get the remainder is less than the targeted base value. And also the next one, step 4, record the remainders from step 3 as the next digit of the new base number. And also similarly repeat step 3 and step 4. So that this process will be repeated until the coefficient becomes 0 in the step 3. So it is the process. For example, you can convert 29 base 10. That is the base 10. Base 10 is equal to, what is the base value? What is the binary? What is the base value in the 2? So that it is the, for example, I am saying that this is the example. In this example, so that convert 29. So in this one, once you see this one, first of all, you can divide the 29 by the 2, because of 2 means that is the targeted base value. So that you can divide that way. What is the number? That is the number is 29. So that number is 29. So 29, and also here you can get the divide. What is the result? You get it. Result, and also remainder. You keep the reminders. So that in this one, the number is the, what is that number? The number is the 29. So in this one, step 1, what is that one? Always the decimal number can be divided by divide the decimal number by the new base value. So that in this one, what is the new base value? That is the new base value is 2. 2 is the new base value. So that 29 by 2. So that 29 by 2. What is that value? 29 by 2 means what we get the value after dividing the 29 by 2. So that 29 divided by 2. So what is that value? You can get that 29 means result is 14, and also the remainder is 1. You keep that 1 here, and also after that again it is the step 1. It is the numbers. It is the, for example, number. It is the step 1. For example, steps. It is the step 1. It is the step 2. What is the step 2? Again you can divide it the 14 by 2. You can divide it the 14 by 2. What is the 14 by 2 means? Result is 7, remainder is 0 in the step 3. This process will be repeated until you can get the resulting value is less than the base value. This base value is 2. So that this division will be repeated less than the base value 2. So the result always less than the 2 means either 0 or 1. So whenever you can get the result value is the 0 or 1, you can stop the procedure. So step 3. So again 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means result is 3, remainder is 1. And step 4. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means result is 1, that is the remainder is 1. So that after that always the values can be placed. The first one is the MSB bit position is the resulting. This is the MSB bit position. Whenever you can get it is the MSB bit position. It is the LSB bit position. So you can arrange these numbers in this one. So that MSB bit position 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So that it is called 29. It is called the 29. It is the base. What is the base value? Base value 2. So 29 base 10. Base 10 is equal to what is the binary? So it is the resulting value. So that you can divide that number, any number like this one. This is the procedure. That similarly decimal to and similarly decimal to octal. So decimal to octal, same procedure. Procedure is same. Here you can divide that number by 8. So in this one you can divide that number by 8. Decimal to octal. So you can divide that number by 8. So octal means octal base value is, what is the octal base value? Octal base is 8. So that this number will be divided by 8 only. So that after that you can divide it by 8. So step 1. What is that number? 29. By what is the base value? 8. So 29 by 8 means what is that result value? 5, and also remainder is 1. So that you can stop the process because of the result is value is 5. 5 divided by 8 is not possible. So it is 0. So that you can stop the procedure. The value is it is the MSB bit position. It is the MSB. It is the LSB. So that in this one 29 means, so that 29 means what is that one? That is called as a 51. So that 29 base 10 means it is called a 29 base 10 is equal to what is the base value? 8. So in the base value 8 it is always that is the 51. That is the 51 base 8. And similarly we can divide. Similarly we can convert decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means base value is 16. So the next one, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So in this one, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So how to convert decimal to hexadecimal? So hexadecimal base value is 16. So that you can divide that number by 16. The decimal number, what is the decimal number? 16. So that number is the 29 by 16. 29 by 16 means what is the one resulting value? That is the resulting value is the 13. And what is that resulting value? Resulting value is the 1. The remainder is the 13. So 13 means what? The hexadecimal 13 means? The 13 means that is called the 10 means A. So 13 means D. 13 means D. So that 13 is equal to value is the D. That is the A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means 15 equivalent to decimal value. So that what is the hexadecimal value? 1D is the hexadecimal value. It is the 16. So 29, that is the 29 base 10 is equal to 1D in the base 16. So it is called as a decimal to any other number system conversion. So it is called as a decimal to any other number system conversions.